Welcome to Tracking Student Progress, Assigning and Grading Against Standards tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to tag a standard to any activity, find and assign a standards-aligned lesson from the Seesaw library, grade standards-aligned activities based on student understanding and learning. Let's jump in and see how you can begin assigning activities with standards attached and review student progress. Begin by assigning a new activity. Simply access the library you'd like to work from and select an activity you wish to assign. You will see all applicable standards tagged to the activity here. Tap Assign and follow the assignment flow. To edit the pre-tagged standards, tap Edit under the Organize section. You can untag pre-selected standards or choose new standards for the activity. Standards can be filtered by standard set, grade, subject, or are searchable by standard code. Once your desired standards are selected, tap Save Tags and finalize your activity assignment. Standards can also be tagged to teacher-created activities. Tagging teacher-created activities allows you to monitor authentic student progress over time, easily gathering information for report cards and progress reports, conferences, and more. To tag a standard to a teacher-created activity, access the activity, tap the three dots, and select Edit Activity. Scroll down and choose the desired standards for this activity. When creating a new activity or assessment, you can select your preferred standards from the bottom of the Create Activity screen. To tag standards to post already in the journal, simply tap the graduation cap under the post and select your desired standards. Grading to track progress against standards is just as seamless. We recommend grading when you are approving work to save time. Tap Review on the red bar that appears in the Seesaw journal when students have submitted work. Before you approve the student's work, look at and listen to their learning. Then, grade the standard you have tagged this activity to reflect how students performed. This will support you in tracking their growth. Students and connected family members do not see the tag standard or rating. This is only visible to teachers and admin. You can easily change a grade for student work. Just tap the graduation cap on the post in the journal and select a different star grade. This grade will show in the Gradebook tab where you can monitor progress across standards at the class level or drill down to the student level. From the Gradebook, teachers can select Standards View and filter to specific standards to look more deeply into data in order to make instructional decisions to support students. That brings us to the end of the Assigning and Grading Against Standards tutorial. If you have any questions, please watch this tutorial again or visit the Help Center for additional support.